Richmond, and today's tutorial is on change of subject involving square roots. And I'm doing this tutorial because sometimes it's very hard when students are asked to make a subject and of a variable, and a variable is inside a root. So what you have to do is that if a variable is inside a root and then you want to eliminate it, let's consider this equation. All that you need to do is to square both sides of the equation. So it says square both sides. So square this side and then you come and square this side. And these two, you deal away with the root and get x is equal to y squared. The same thing, let's also try this example. X on 2 plus y root is equal to z. This one too, if you want to eliminate the square root, all you need to do is to square both sides of the root, both sides of the equation. So you say that let's square, and one thing you should know that the square root is covering the whole of x over 2 plus y. So you square this side and then you square this side too. The 2 will deal away with the square root and you have x on 2 plus y equal to z squared. So we are making x the subject out of the relations below. So let's try the first one. Z is equal to ax squared plus b. We are making x a subject, so we group like terms. So we send b to where z is. So I have z minus b is equal to ax squared. And because we just want x to stand alone, we divide this one by a, divide the whole of the expression by a. So a will cancel the a, and then it will be left with z minus b over a is equal to s squared. But in the question, they asked us to make x the subject, not x squared the subject. So you can say s squared is equal to z minus b on a. So you are not right. So here is very important. So we say that you square root both sides of the equation. And square root both sides of this equation, square root both sides of the equation. So let's square root this one, and then you come and then square root this one too. Okay, so these two will deal away with the root, and we have x is now equal to z minus b on a. Let's move on to and solve question 2. And question 2 is t is equal to 2 pi root x on g. So, because we want to make x a subject, first of all, let's divide both sides of the equation by 2 pi. So this by 2 pi, this by 2 pi. 2 pi cancel 2 pi. And then to be left with t over 2 pi is equal to root x on g. So here we need to eliminate the square root. So all you need to do is that square both sides of the equation. So square this side, so square this side. The square root is affecting the whole of this expression. So 2 will cancel the root, and then t on 2 pi is being raised to the power 2. So we have t raised to the power 2 on 2 raised to the power 2 and pi raised to the power 2 is equal to x on g, because now the root has been done with. So simplifying this one, we get t squared on 2 raised to the power 2 give us 4 pi squared is equal to x on g. So all that we need to do here is cross multiplication. You multiply this by this, multiply this one by this. So we'll get t squared g is now equal to 4 pi squared x. So of course multiply. We need x, so we divide the whole of this one by 4 pi squared, this one by 4 pi squared. Let's cancel this one, so therefore, finally, we can say that our answer, x as a subject is equal to t squared g over 4